It's time of the year again when everybody is hungry, spiritual, emotional, and waiting for iftar like it's a World Cup final. Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are doing great today. You're watching another episode of Just Asking, and I'm your host, Zain Ali Salari. Guys, let's see and ask people how they're surviving this Ramadan. What's your name?
Mohammad Mustafa Burhan.
Sharjeel Nasser. My name is Umar.
Musab Ahmed.
Matahir.
Zulaha.
Abdullah Haroon.
What do you do?
I am working in Huawei Technologies.
I study at FAST. I'm a student at FAST University.
I'm a student at Nest.
Project manager हूँ for a commercial HVAC company.
Mashallah. And you?
I'm a progress supervisor for an old age home.
Yeah, you're doing impactful work. I wish you all the best for that. I've got a couple of really fun questions related to Ramadan.
Sure.
Right?
Sure.
How is it going?
It's going phenomenally good. It's Ramadan, man.
It has just started,
Yeah.
right? It is a complete different vibe. What's the hardest? Waking up early at Sahur or being hungry all day?
I believe it is waking up early at Zuhr.
How are you managing to wake up?
Alarm? Yeah, alarm and my family.
Waking up for Sahur.
Waking up for Sahur. How do you manage to wake up then?
I'm still, searching for how to wake up. The previous day I couldn't wake up on time. I just woke up 10 minutes earlier, so it's actually hard waking up.
It's hard.
It's gonna definitely be, staying awake for Sahur. People tell me to wake them up because what I do is basically I stay awake the whole
You
night.
stay awake all the night?
Yeah.
That's dangerous.
I mean, it's quite fun if you, just pass the time with games or something like that.
You're playing games all night?
Yeah, sure. I did that, or if I have an assignment, I do that, or something
Gen
like that.
Z is going somewhere, some wrong directions, playing games all night. That's
Yeah,
good,
sure,
man.
it's fun, it's Ramadan.
It's fun,
So,
it's Ramadan. You have to pass your time, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And then you have to give a wake-up call to your friends
Yeah.
as well.
Either I do that or, just go and play badminton with my friends at night,
do
late at
some
night.
physical activity as well.
Yeah, sure.
Being hungry all day.
Being hungry all day?
Yes.
It's difficult, right?
It is difficult. Yes.
And for you?
Same.
Same?
Yeah.
You guys wake up early easy?
We stay up mostly.
That's what it is.
why,
We
yeah.
stay up mostly. It's not the waking
You're
up
staying
part.
up?
Yeah.
You
all
know,
night?
No, the
Yeah.
key is you after iftar you do your
little nap.
tarawih and stuff
Tarawih
and then
and
take a nap and then you
wake
do.
up.
And
Yeah,
then you wake
wake
up.
up.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's good.
Waking up for Suhoor.
Waking up for Sahur?
I just try to sleep before Suhoor. Waking up for Suhoor.
How are you managing then?
I just stay up until Suhoor.
Stay up all night?
Yes.
Then what do you do in the meantime?
Watch a show or whatever.
Watching show.
Yes.
Are you watching on Netflix or Prime?
I'm pirating.
Would you tell the hack to them?
Never. I'm gatekeeping.
Gatekeeping. I think you were living away from your family.
Yeah.
What are you missing?
Homemade food because I don't know how to cook, so obviously homemade food
you
is.
must learn how to cook. Good foods, huh? You must be missing your mama's handmade food.
So basically me and my friends have an apartment and so
You have
we,
an apartment.
Yeah.
You miss being home in Ramadan.
Sure, everybody does.
Everybody does.
Everybody does.
Yeah. So what do you miss the most?
It's gonna be definitely the homemade food.
The homemade
for
food.
the iftar and
Yeah.
sahri.
You know what? When it comes to iftar table, there are two categories. One goes with jami shiri, the other goes with ruh afza. One goes with choosing pakoras, the other goes with choosing samosas. One goes right directly to starting and breaking their fast with the date. The other goes to drinking water because they're thirsty all day. Let's hear from the people which category they belong to. Pick and choose in between pakoda or samosa.
Pakoda.
Pakoda.
I'm a samosa person.
Pakoda goes down.
Pakoda goes down, unfortunately.
Love
I do know
pakoras.
people who love pakoda, but still.
You should try some good pakoras.
Pakoda.
Pakoda?
Yeah.
No samosas?
Pakoda.
Pakoda?
Yes.
For sure.
Yes.
Thumbs down to the samosa.
Not thumbs down. I prefer. Pakoda.
You prefer going with pakoras.
Samosa.
Aloo samosa for sure.
Aloo samosa for sure. In specifically.
Chicken samosa.
Chicken
Personally speaking.
Jami shiri or ruh afza?
That's a good
They're the
question.
same
No,
thing.
it's not the same thing. It's not the same thing.
People say it's the same when you
I
put them
think it's
together.
You know
together.
what? Jami Shiri Thora is a little more floral. Personally speaking, yes.
You have tried
Fine.
both of them?
Yes, with water, not with milk.
Ruh Afza.
Ruh afza for sure?
Yeah.
It's gonna be jami shiri.
Jami shiri?
Ruh Afza. Jamashiri.
Everybody is going with jami shiri.
I believe Ruh Afza used to be for our ancestors.
Now
And
it's
the Jam
Jam-e
Shiri
Shiri.
is for the young blood.
It's because they're doing multiple marketings right
Yeah,
there, so it's on the top of mind.
Yeah.
Ajami Shiri.
They taste the same to me.
When breaking fast, what is the first choice of yours? Taking dates or jumping on the glass of water?
I do know it's quite a good thing to, break your fast with a date.
Where
but-
dates? That is the
but-
sunnah.
Yeah, I know. But I do, jump to the water first.
Because you're thirsty.
Of course, everybody
That's-
Dates first.
Dates first. Yeah.
Dates first.
We gotta
first,
follow
yeah.
the sunnah.
Yeah.
That is the practice that we
Yes.
have to go.
Yes.
Homemade iftar food or going out for a iftar buffet?
Homemade iftar food, 100%.
For sure.
Oh yeah,
Thumbs up
100%.
to homemade, right? For you,
I think homemade iftar and then like dessert outside.
dessert outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, who's gonna pay for homemade iftar? Oh, sorry,
Who's gonna pay for
iftar
outside?
buffet?
Yeah.
Exactly. All you can eat or kha bhi nahi sakte ho.
Yeah, you
No
have to
plate
pay
give up.
lots of money
After
and then
10
you have to
minutes,
just
you're
choose
Yeah,
a
2
lot.
minutes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
What is that one thing you cannot skip at your iftar?
Khajur, date.
Khajurs?
Yep.
They should be right there.
It's a fruit chart.
Fruit chart.
I love
You're
fruit
going
chart.
to go all in with fruit chart?
Yeah, fruit chart.
There are a lot of stuff, but I do think particularly you can miss the samosa.
You can't miss the samosa.
Yeah, you can miss
It should be there right at your
Yeah,
table.
it should be there. It
Yeah.
should be staring at me, ready to be devoured.
Let me know who loves samosa. Any one of you guys. Up for it, thumbs up.
Roll.
Rolls.
Yeah.
You love them?
Yeah, I love them.
You love them, right?
Yes.
I know I said samosa earlier, but pakode. You know why?
Pakode?
It's just a home. It's just a childhood
You gotta
thing.
go for it. Because
Yes.
that is the most Ramazan thing.
It is.
I
It's
It
just,
is.
I think it's fruit chaat for me.
Fruit chart for
It's
you?
very fresh and refreshing. Yeah.
Why? Because in between that chana chaat and fruit chaat, why are you going with fruits?
It's the healthier option I feel, and it's just more fresher.
More fresher and
Yeah.
healthier one.
I think samosas and
Samosas
pakoras.
and pakoras, they should be right there.
Yes.
It's must for you.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
You cannot go without them. Guys, come along. Among hundreds of beautiful things that happen here in Ramadan at night in Pakistan, most beautiful thing is playing cricket on streets and roads. Look at this beautiful group. They are playing cricket. That is amazing. This is a beautiful vibe. They will be praying all night right here on the street. Cricket. That is the craziest thing happening in Pakistan in Ramadan. And now before I close this video, this is the question for all of you guys. What is hard for you? Waking up for suhoor or being hungry all day? Let me know in the comment section. See you.